Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to stitch on TikTok. So first of all you need to open your TikTok app and choose the video which you wanna stitch. So if I choose this one, so click on this share option here and you can see here a stitch option. So click on it and you can edit this video from here. Okay, then when we're done, go for next. Okay, now you have to shoot your video from here. So okay, then you can edit from these options, and when you are done, go for this tick mark here, click on it, and you can see this video is stitched. So this is how you can stitch in on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.